A Japanese-style wooden house glowed warmly. Many tombstones stood in front of it. Entering the house, I found numerous baby items and toys scattered throughout, and the surrounding objects began to enlarge. Then, my body gradually shrank. And the wooden table transformed into a corridor guiding me along. Books, a football, and other items lined the corridor. And at the end stood an identical kotatsu and tea set. The environment shifted again. And the corridor came filled with briefcases, shoes and other items. The cycle begins again. This time the corridor is filled with nostalgic items, like paper fans and rocking chairs. At the end of the corridor lies a single hospital bed, perhaps lying alone until death.